JGK, I'm back with another video. We got this GTI back, GTI content like I did promise you guys. We're gonna take this thing to some back roads. That shit sounds nice. Like, look at Cam, she probably mad as hell. That thing looks nice. We just spoke to that guy. He just followed DJ on Instagram. DJ followed him back. Gonna send him some future mods for this car. It got dark. My plan was to do it before it got dark, but things don't always go as planned. Damn, that GTI is pretty loud. I ain't gonna hold you. But we're gonna take this thing into some back roads. It's dirty right now, so I would be taking pictures, but I'm gonna hold off on that. We're gonna watch it after this back road run. But we're gonna put the suspension to the test, put the motor to the test, see what it's really about, and let's get straight into this video. All right, so YouTube, right? Since I don't have the GoPro yet, it got dark. I was gonna go to Best Buy and get it before I came out here, but it got dark. I'm doing it with the main camera, but what we're gonna do is, DJ's recording right now. He's just gonna record it just like this. We're on the back road right now. We're not in the juicy part just yet, but I'm gonna do this exactly this.
It's juicy.
Yeah. Whip this thing around, man. This car feels really good though. Like, it feels healthy. Suspension feels healthy. The motor feels healthy. Everything feels healthy. But now we got this big body ass trunk. Hopefully there's not a lot of cars back here though, cause come on, bro. But is it like he's not happy to get home? I don't understand this, bro. It doesn't really start. This is some of the back road, but it doesn't really start till the after the circle. So that's why I'm not even really pressed right now. But once we get to that roundabout, it's action, bro. We're not there yet, but this thing feels amazing.
I ain't gonna lie, niggas need a GoPro. I'm jiggling with the camera right now.
Nah, it feels amazing. Your car feels amazing, bro. For real.
Oh, whipping this joint, I ain't gonna lie.
It feels amazing.
Man, it's a NASCAR racer. Let's see the shifting.
It feels amazing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. We're getting to the roundabout right now. This is where it really starts. That was nothing. Here we go. So after this, please don't tell me there's people going onto that street though. Fuck, bro. Look how many cars there is here.
I don't know why it's so busy.
Please don't go over there. Don't go over there. Please don't go over there. All right, here it starts. All right here, bro. The amount of times I've taken my car back here, bro.
Oh my.
Right here, I gotta be careful because there's usually people right here at this time.
Oh, yo, whipping these curves. Yo, these suspensions are crazy.
Nah, your car feels good though.
Yo, these suspensions are crazy, bro.
This car feels amazing, bro. I'm telling you guys. Once he starts really dialing this thing on, put some coilovers on it, put some, get the downpipe, make it sound good, get a little tune, make the boost, put the boost up a little bit. It's gonna be a fucking blast in this damn cockpit. I am telling you. I am telling you. Y'all let's get ready to board. What the fuck, bro? I gotta slow down for this guy because this guy's gonna be in front of me. So we're gonna slow it down. That's
give me some down shifts. Give me some down shifts.
Get it right and right. You know what I mean? But we're gonna let this guy go further up because now the best part of this back road is coming up. This is where I love putting the 335. You guys will see a lot of 335 content on this road. I got some more up top, but we're getting into the part I like. This is called Gunpowder. If you don't know, Maryland, Gunpowder is pretty long. This goes all the way up to PA and all the way down to wherever the fuck. But this is where I usually log my car to and send to my tuner. This is just a straight ahead right here for a little while. We're already almost at the second spot though.
Let's do it.
I gotta let that guy keep going. I'm gonna slow down a little bit more. He's still right there. Somebody else came in here? It's right up there too where they're going. Fuck, bro. It starts where he's turning.
This is a long ass video. Shot.
Nah, it's fine. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. I'm gonna edit all this. keep it. We're getting into the second part of this back road. I just did a little short of it just to start it off because the car is stock still. So once the car, this is just a stock version of the video. I mean, part one basically. We're gonna have a part two when the car at least has one mod, then we'll keep doing back road shit. When the car sounds better, when everything's good, not the windshield wiper.
POV's coming too once we get the GoPro. Let's do it.
Yes, sir. Yo, it's not my E92. I can't be doing that one. Holy shit, I pulled that shit. Your phone. Your brakes are crazy too. Man, it's too many cars. I usually push it here and get on the other side of the road, but too many cars though.
Yeah, I ain't trying to die behind the camera.
Yeah, there's too many cars here, but just imagine this, you two. Imagine we're going full speed though. Imagine we're going full speed, suspension dialed in right now, not full fucking speed, 100, but you know what I mean, full speed for this condition of the road.
These are 25 miles per hour, like speed limit.
And I'm not gonna lie, I be hitting 40 in my car, no 30, 35, right here. Obviously the crazy turns, I'm not going 50, but like right here, oh my, I love this turn right here.
Yo, any car would flip right now.
Yeah, this car has good suspension though. This car's made for this, bro. Got the motorcycle boys right there.
I ain't get it.
Good though. It's a little bit of traffic though, because it's not really that late. This is more of a midnight type of thing. Next time we do this, I'm gonna do it at midnight, so I know I got that reassurance of having a road to myself. Maybe 2 or 3. We got a car in front of me, but just imagine you two, us being in this back road, like with the car fully modified. Imagine the E92 335 out here, bro.
That would be crazy.
With the suspension that I already have on, like I haven't doubted it. I really haven't even drove it on it, but if you do watch my videos, the car got 12 control arms put on it, all upgraded, BC Racing coilovers, and a sway bar on it. So I've only driven the car without all that, so I don't even know how the fuck it feels. There's only one way to find out, and that's when the car is ready. So keep watching my videos, you'll figure that shit out. Like I would love to push this shit right now, but
yeah, we got
this guy on the way home. Like, that's how you know you're not getting no pussy, because he would be flying right now. But oh my goodness, bro. The GTI definitely does feel really, really, really good. We might actually just go to Best Buy just to look real quick though.
Yeah, we might as well. If it's right, if it's Ryan.
Alright, now D-Hop is out. Got back from the POV. D-Hop is about to head out. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. We got more content with this car coming on the way. We're about to hop on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. If you guys want to see me on the game, go subscribe to JGK Gaming. Link will be in the description, but it's a must, man. We be having fun on that channel. I gotta upload more on that channel, but I'll be so focused with this channel. But go follow that channel. D-Hop is about to head out. I'm gonna record him leaving. Do a little slight something here on this road, all right? When you head out. A little something, bro. A little something. Hold on right there.
While I earn, ain't shit cause bridges to burn. Just wait your turn.